How to delete saved places in Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete saved places in Uber app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete the places that you have saved, first of all open the Uber app and tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon on the next specific page, you'll find the button labeled as settings. So just go ahead and tap on that again. And as soon as you go to settings, over here you'll find your favorite addresses, which means the places you've saved. So just tap on the delete button right next to it. Now this is to delete the ones that are on favorites tab. If you want to delete the more saved places tab, then you can go to the option called more saved places over here. And you can see the option called more saved places. So just tap on it. And once you tap on that more saved places, you'll be able to see other saved places. Just tap on the three dots next to a place that you want to delete, and once you do so, just choose the option called remove, and once you select remove, you would have successfully removed that saved places in the Uber app. That's all it takes to delete saved places in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.